Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from Binance Web3 wallet to Binance Exchange. So here's a simple workaround for that. Open your Binance app and go to your Web3 wallet. Tap on USDT from the token list, then select send. Then open the Binance app, go to the wallet and tap deposit. Choose the USDT as a token, then select the correct network. For example, you can pick from the network list, which is TRC20, ERC20 or BIP20 that matches your Web3 wallet. So make sure you pick the same network from your Web3 wallet, then copy your Binance USDT deposit address, go back to your Web3 wallet and paste the deposit address into the recipient address field. After that, you have to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, tap send and confirm the transaction. So you have to wait for blockchain confirmation, so your USDT will appear in your Binance Exchange wallet, and that's how you can easily transfer USDT from Binance Web3 wallet to Binance Exchange. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.